Daddy, can I try, please? Daddy, please, can I try? I want to try.
I'm not taking pictures, I'm taking movement, honey. You're covering up the lens, honey. Move your fingers. See? No, don't hit any buttons. You're taking a movie right now. If you hit a button, it'll stop the filming.
Dad, can you get the ketchup out, please?
Can you help me, Daddy? How do you start it? Now can you do the and we can all watch it?
Thanks, buddy. Take it in.
Sorry, Reagan. This one is not yours. This one is mine. Remember that. Go to straight left. No, go that way.